Hey, good morning, traders, and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester, and today we are gonna have this live trading session with the strategy that I showed you on my previous video. If you don't see that video, go to ahead and take a look, because there I told you how to use it, how to set up. Here we are gonna make maybe a quickly review about how to use this strategy, how to trade, and we are gonna try to get a good signal for binary options, and with this strategy for newbies, traders newbies. So the first thing we are gonna have to do is open your account using the link below in this video, make your first deposit. If you do that using the link below in this video, you can join me to my free binary options Telegram group. There I share signals every day. You can join us. If you send me your pocket option ID, I'm gonna add you to my Telegram group, totally free. So doesn't matter how much money you deposit, but you need to use the link below in this video to join to my trading channel. So traders, let's go to find a good example for this strategy for binary options. Let's go to explain how this strategy works. We are gonna add two indicators. We are gonna use the indicator for super trend inside of the pocket option account. We are gonna leave it in 10 and 3 in the 8 here, and we are gonna add to the MACD. This is the setups for the MACD. The strategy is very simple for us. When we have this volume here, this is the zero, or the middle of the MACD. When you have up candlesticks, color green obviously, and we have this buy signal, we trade for 3 minutes following this signal. Simple. Don't need too much experience to use this strategy, just like you saw in the first trade that I made. So it's very simple, right? You don't need too much experience. You don't need to stay all the time watching the market. No, you can do it this for your own, following these simple steps for binary options. And guess what? I have a free indicator for MT4 and MT5 when you can install this indicator, and you can use it to trade for, I don't know, maybe Forex, or trade with binary options, just receiving signals. You can trade here. The stop loss is going to be up on this high level, and you take profit. It's going to be 101, 102, 103 maybe. Or you can use in the trading stop loss, put how much points you need to follow the stop loss, and that's it. This is a free indicator, and when you join us to the binary options signals group, totally free, you can get that indicator. Remember, to join us is open your account with Pocket Option or Forex using the link below on this video, make your first deposit, and you can join us totally free. After you make your first deposit, you go to this link. The link is going to be below in this video. Fill this form and send me a screenshot of your ID and deposit, and I'm going to add you totally free to my binary options signals group. So that's it. Simple, right? Let's go to find another good example. We have the first one in the money. Let's go to see how ended this, because looks like an uptrend, but we have the sell signal. We have the volume down below of the serial period, and we trade for 3 minutes. That's it. 3 minutes. Understand better. So let's go to see how ended this last trade. We have two trades. So the first one was one trade in the money, or call whatever you want. It was a profit trade. And right now we have the second trade. This is a very simple strategy, but I prefer the strategy like this. We have a clear sell signal. Don't say it's maybe here. No, it's a clear sell signal. Sell. We have the volume bars below of the period 0, like this one, and we trade for 3 minutes. Simple. You can trade for 1 minute if you want, but I prefer trade for 3 minutes. And we have the second one, 1, 2. We have 2 profitable trades. Simple. You can trade for 1 minute, you can trade for 3 minutes, or you can trade for 5 minutes. If you look, when we receive the signal, we have a long period going to the direction of the signal. Obviously, sometimes no. But look at this here. We receive the signal and we don't have 3 bars for going to the up direction. This is not a good signal for us. We receive the signal, but we have more of 3 bars. Or the 3 bar. Look at this. So this is a simple steps you can follow to trade with us. Very simple, right? I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember, you can join us totally free to my binary options signals group, and see you in the next one.